LangShop allows Shopify merchants to restore the LangShop theme to its original state by removing LangShop code and assets from the theme liquid files. There are a few reasons you can use the Revert liquid option. First, you accidentally delete the original theme and did not make a backup copy of it. Second reason, you decide to stop managing your multilingual store and want to delete all LangShop code from the theme you've been working on, did a lot of custom changes, and need to clean up the LangShop code from it. From your LangShop admin, go to Online Store, Themes, choose the LangShop theme. Near the theme, click on Actions. From the drop-down list, choose Revert Liquid. The app will pop up the dialog window to ask you to confirm the action. Read the information carefully, and if you are confident to erase the app code blocks and the rest of the assets, click Revert Liquid again. It will take a moment for the task to complete on the background server. LangShop will remove its title and the app version from the theme name and leave the date only when you created this theme. This is how you can get a backup copy of your original theme, continue to manage your store language, and keep all the changes you've made earlier. If you have any questions about LangShop, why does the app create its theme, leave your comments below, get in touch with our support via 24/7 live chat, give us a call, or write an email. Subscribe to the channel for weekly updates and learn how to create a multilingual store with LangShop.